Have you also faced this problem that you have coded Matplotlib Python program and when you try to run that program it gives you error. What error? Module not found error. No module named Matplotlib. So I welcome you once again. You are welcome to Shweta Tech. Let's see how to resolve no module named found kind of issues. Like you can see in message, it says matplotlib module not found. So we need to install it. For this purpose, we are going to use pip install command. Yes, pip install. Let's see how to use this pip install command. First, just click on open. Right? Go to scripts. And from here take the location. मैं just इसको copy कर लेती हूँ. Right? Cancel. And now open your CMD. Yes, command prompt. And I'm going to just give the location I have copied from there. Right? I'm in my scripts folder. Right? Let me just enlarge the font so that it is clearly visible. Right. And there I am going to type pip install matplotlib. Press enter. Can you say it? Your installation in progress. Very soon you are going to get the message. Right? Let's just wait. And here you go. Right? So it has been installed. Let's go to our Python and try to run the code again. Yes, can you see it? It's working now. So, very easily using pip install command, you can install any module you want in Python, right? IDLE is very lightweight platform, right, to code in different modules available in Python. And you only need to go to scripts folder. मैंने आपको बहुत easily बताया how can you go to scripts folder. Just click on file, open. It takes you to the default path. आपको एक default path में ले जाता है. There you just try to find scripts and then copy this location. Go to command prompt, paste that location and simply give the command pip install. Right. You need to give the command pip install matplotlib the way I have given there. Fine. And you are done with this. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Happy learning with Shweta Tech. Bye-bye.